Good morning, kids. I hope all are enjoying study and having fun. So first, we will do a recap of letter D. We will do recap through flashcards. D says D as in dog. D says D as in dolphin. D says D as in donkey. D says D as in dress. D says D as in duck. D says D as in door. Now it's time for some fun activity. Are you ready, kids? So let's start. Here I am having a paper on which the alphabet is written. Which alphabet is this? Yes, it's letter D. Mama D, capital D. Here are some earbuds and some paint colors that we are going to use in the activity. And now we will dip the earbud in the color and make small dots in the capital D. Make small dots in the capital D. D says D as in dot. D says D as in dot. Now we will dip it in the next color and again make small dots on capital D. D says D as in dot. D says D as in dot. Make some more dots. D says D as in dot. Now we will dip it in the next color and again make small dots on capital D. D says D as in dot. D says D as in dot. Small d. And now we will dip the earbud in the color and make some dots on small d. D says D as in dot. D says D as in dot. Are you enjoying making dots on letter D? Look how creative this looks. The capital D and the small d after making some dots on it. Now we will do the practice work. In this worksheet, you have to circle the pictures related to alphabet D. You will see the pictures and the pictures which are related to alphabet D. You have to circle them. Did you enjoy this activity? Yes. Okay. Bye, kids. See you later.